guys, we are making a pancake. First we need some bananas. We have to smash it. Go really hard. We'll crack the egg, you can see. Got it. Let's break it. In there. Beat up this around a lot. Mix it now. Now we have enough to mix the banana with the egg. Nice and you have to be good and yummy when we make the pancake. When the pancake will be done, we have to mix it hard. And we are nearly done this one. Then we have to put on this. Let's go really hard. Something big like it. Splash, 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 splash. What? Okay, now let's do this one. Let's pour it in. Made a mistake. Oopsie, another mistake. I think all is done. I made that one and that one by accident. And the eggy one. What we didn't show you that. We put the flour in and then we put the milk in and we stir it. We first put the flour in, then we mix it, and then we put the milk in. I poured lots of milk, and then by accident, and then I have to stir it, and then it turned like this. Looks like a pancake now. We have to cook it well. Let's do it. Right. So now we are cooking. We have to stir it a little more. Now I think it's done. Let's put the butter in. Get you out. Look, it's melting. It's going like a water. Glow, glow, glow. You what? It's going round, I think. Made lots of oil. This is melting. Oh, it's nearly melted it. When it's full.